Hi guys, so today let's see how to create your own Oracle database. And in order to do that, first you install Oracle Database 18c Express or the latest edition that is available from oracle.com website, and it is a RDBMS system, that means regional database management system, where you can create a table or multiple tables and make relations between them. And after installing your Oracle database, then you will be getting a SQL command line. Open your SQL command line, then enter into your administrator user ID. By default, it will be system and the password will be manager. So I am using connect system and password is manager. After you connect it, the first thing you need to do is to create a user ID for yourself. So to create a user ID, create user, and the username for me is amus, and then it has to be identified by a password. After you get a message as user created, then you need to grant permissions. Now I am granting grant DBA to amus. After grant is succeeded, then to enter into your user, use this connect and your username. And then it asks for your password. So after you successfully completed or connected to the particular user ID, in order to create a table, you need to write as create table, and you need to give a table name for your table. So my table name is sales, which is having 3 columns as serial number, employee name and his salary. In order to create 3 columns, I am writing create table sales of serial number, which is having number 3, and then employee name, which is of type varchar 2 of some 15 characters, and then salary with type number of 6 characters, and then yes. After you get a message as table created, in order to check whether your table is created or not, you can type describe and your table name. So my table name is sales, and then you can see what are the columns that are available in your particular table. And then if you want to insert your values into your table, the command is insert into your table name, insert into sales, and then values are, first is serial number. My serial number is 101, and the employee name is of string type, where I am keeping employee name as Suma, and then I need to enter the salary, and my salary is 10,000. That's it, semicolon. So after changing a column, in order to change a column in values, after entering serial number, I have specified a comma so that it changes to the employee name. After specifying the employee name, I have specified a comma so it changes to salary, and then enter. You will be getting a message as one row created. In this way, you can create rows and you can insert data into your particular table. Thank you. Have a nice day.